Imagine you're at a party and someone asks you to build them a website. And not just any website, but a dynamic, interactive one that can talk to databases and generate content on the fly. What do? Well, that's where PHP comes in. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, and it's the superhero of server-side scripting languages. When a user requests a web page powered by PHP, the server executes the code and sends the output to the user's browser, just like a superhero saving the day. PHP has been around since 1995, and it all started with a man named Rasmus Lerdorf. He created a set of Common Gateway Interface (CGI) scripts to keep track of visitors to his website. Over time, he added more features, and before he knew it, he had created a full-fledged scripting language. It's like he started with a single superpower and then gained more and more until he was unstoppable. PHP is the go-to language for creating dynamic web pages, from content management systems to e-commerce platforms and forums. It's also used for creating server-side APIs, which allow different websites to talk to each other, like a group of superhero friends working together to save the world. And, with PHP, the sky's the limit. It's highly customizable, so you can write custom scripts and build powerful applications. So, why is PHP so popular among web developers? Firstly, it's open source, which means anyone can use it for free and contribute to its development, making it accessible to all. Secondly, it has a huge community of developers who offer support and contribute to its development. Thirdly, it's relatively easy to learn and use compared to other server-side scripting languages, so even if you're just starting out, you can still save the day. And finally, it's highly customizable, allowing you to create custom solutions and build powerful applications. In conclusion, PHP is a powerful and versatile server-side scripting language that's been saving the day for web developers for over 2 decades. With its open-source nature, large community of developers, ease of use, and high level of customization, it's no wonder it's so popular. So, whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out, get to know PHP. It's the superhero you didn't know you needed. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you now have a better understanding of what PHP is and why it's so special. Until next time, keep coding!